You can rename, view information, edit, and do much more things with a shortcut. And here's how. Let's start by opening the Shortcuts app. To run a shortcut, just tap it once. To stop it, tap anywhere on the screen or use the end button in eye control. To edit a shortcut, tap the three dots at the top right of a shortcut. Tap here to go back. Tap and hold on a shortcut to view more options. Here you have the options to rename, see details, share, duplicate or move the shortcut to a different folder. To add your shortcut to the home screen, tap Details. Now tap Add to Home Screen. Here you can adjust the icon by tapping on it, or change the name by tapping here. To add it, tap Add. Now your shortcut was added to the home screen. Tap on it to run it, or tap and hold to delete it.